Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your receipt on the Sam's Club app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your receipt for something that you purchased. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Sam's Club app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Purchase History. Then on this page, find the order which you want to go ahead and find a receipt for. So we're going to click on this order here. Next, scroll down, and then this is essentially going to act as your receipt where you can share it, print it, or download it. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your receipt on the Sam's Club app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.